guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you all are having a fabulous day. So as you can tell from the title of this video is all about our Nigerian Christmas food menu. So many of you have been asking me to make videos of our Nigerian food menu for Christmas. To be honest with you guys, I don't think it's necessary. Do you know why I say that? Because I have lots of recipes on this channel that can serve that purpose. So what I did was to list my most favorite food you can make for your family and friends this Christmas. I've listed each and every one of them down, and I'm just going to give you the list. You are not obligated to take everything I'm going to list out here. You can choose some and leave some and maybe come up with some by yourself, okay? So I think this is the best way to come up with this, because I don't know if I can start making recipes for Christmas food again when I have most of them here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it helpful. And for those of you that requested for the videos, I am sorry, but this can serve as well. It can serve, trust me guys. These are the most favorite food, my most favorite food, and very tasty and yummy, and I am 99% sure that when you make it for your family and friends, they will love it. In fact, all your friends will like to celebrate all their Christmases. Is that a word? But I'm sure they will always want to spend their Christmas holiday in your house. So let's get into the list. Okay guys, so as you can tell here, I don't know if you can see it clearly, so we are going to go through them. All right, for my breakfast, like I said before, it is up to you to take the ones you want and leave the rest, okay? You don't have to do all the things I listed here. And if there are other ones I didn't mention, maybe when I remember them, I'll put them in the links that I will put together with these ones. All the recipes I am mentioning here, I'm going to put their links in the description box below so you can check them out. Or no, some of you do not know where that description box is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave all the links in the comment section. So after watching the video, just scroll up to the comment section and there you will find all the I'm going to pin this particular comment. So once you get there, it will be the first comment you will see. So let's get into the list. Now for my breakfast, I suggest that you make some fried eggs with some vegetables, then pair it with bread and custard or pap, akam, ogi, whichever one you call it. This is so good and so delicious, guys. All these things I'm mentioning here are the things I've tasted, and I am very sure that your family are going to love it. So you can make some fried eggs with some vegetables, like mix some different types of vegetables to eat, like tomatoes, bell peppers, onion, scallions, spring onion, like any vegetable of your choice, just add it to it, and then add a little bit of tuna to it. Italians call it tonno. You can add it to the fried egg. Now for my second choice, you can make akara, but that December morning, that Christmas day, I don't think anybody will have that time to be making akara. But if you can, it's okay, it's perfect, okay, and your family are going to love it. Now my third choice will be boiled yam. Oh my goodness, boiled yam with some vegetable sauce or egg sauce. I have all the recipes here, so don't worry about the recipes. Now for the lunch, you can make some salads or coleslaw and pair it with some fried rice, jollof rice. You can make some carrot fried rice, carrot jollof rice, coconut rice, coconut jollof rice, coconut fried rice, and make some grilled or fried chicken or turkey to go along with this. And now for our dessert, I am not really a fan of dessert, so I didn't come up with I don't think all these things are reasonable, the things I listed here, but anyways, I'm still going to mention them. I have fruit smoothie here, I have ice cream, I have pancakes or waffles. You can make some carrot cake or cake, normal cake or velvet cake. Now for our Nigerian snacks, you can make some Nigerian meat pie, buns, puff puff, some chin chin. You can even make there's this fried chicken strips I made some days back. I'm going to also leave the link. You can make it when there are kids in the house. You can make these fried chicken strips and they will absolutely love it. Like, why I'm saying this is because my kids loved it, like they enjoyed it, except for my older son that doesn't like to eat meat and fish. So you can make this fried chicken and I tell you guys, everybody will love it. You can serve it as snacks, you can as well serve it as a side dish. Okay, so for our dinner, I came up with party style egusi soup with any meat of your choice. Like this party style egusi soup is the bomb.com. Guys, you need to go and check that recipe and make it for your family. This is the best soup you can ever make for your family on that Christmas day, I'm telling you. And the second choice will be oilless okra soup, or you can add oil if you don't mind. You can pair it, you can make it with some fresh fish, mackerel, any seafood of your choice. Just give your family and friends that wonderful treat, because it is that time of the year when we get to eat and celebrate. So give them a special treat. All right, my third and final is vegetable soup with any meat of your choice. Okay, or you can make afang soup, ofokaze, onubu soup, ora soup. There are different types of soup on this channel which you can go and check out. Okay, now finally for the appetizer. Before we eat, we need some appetizers on the table. Okay, something we can just chew onto or bite onto, and for that I've come up with some gizdodo, like gizzards and plantains. I have the recipe as well. You can also make some suya for your family if you know how to do that. I don't have the recipe, but I am going to recommend channels that have it. You can watch Sisi Yemi. I will try and find the link and put it as well. You can watch all Nigerian food recipes. These two people, I'm sure they have these suya recipes on their channel, so you can check them out as well. And another one is some chicken pepper soup. You can just make some chicken pepper soup, add some yam to it, or just make it plain like that. And you can as well make some catfish pepper soup. Guys, this is absolutely wonderful. So guys, this is all I could come up with. I know I've been like here and there. I don't know if this video makes sense to anyone, but hopefully you guys will find it helpful. So like I said before, I'm going to leave all the links to all the recipes I've mentioned here in the comment section below, and I will also try and put it in the description box as well. So please make sure you go and check them out, and maybe as time goes on I'll be posting some on my community page. Some of you do not know how to go to my community page. I'm going to show you that right now. Okay guys, when you go to YouTube, just open your YouTube app. Now go to my channel page. Okay, this is my page. When you come to my page now, you will see home, videos, playlist, and then community and channels and about. Click on that community and there you will see all my posts, both pictures and the shared videos. Yeah, that's how to access my community page. So I'm going to be posting the videos on this community page so you can see them as well. So when you need a recipe, just come to this community page, scroll, and you will find something there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I do really hope you guys find this video helpful. And if there's any other question you feel like asking me, you can leave your question in the comment section below, and I will try my best to get to it as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you and Merry Christmas. Enjoy your Christmas. I wish you all a happy and Merry Christmas. When you are enjoying your Christmas meals and parties, please do not forget our Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.